This is Waterfall from our natural stone cladding collection. It is made from slate stone. The dimension of the tile is 150 mm into 300 mm. Here you can see the thickness, which is 20 mm. Small stones are stacked up to make this beautiful waterfall design. The tile has a mesh bag. You can fix it with a grey adhesive. There are two looks of the tile, dry and wet. And this is how it looks after the polish. You can use the stone cladding on your living room wall, foyer wall and exterior wall. This is made in India.